Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your PC and signing in with an admin account so you can change system controls. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Accounts, then Family and Other Users. This path gives access to parental and time controls. Make sure screen time is visible. On some builds it's under Accounts Family or within Microsoft Family Settings online. You do this now so subsequent steps apply system-wide. Having credentials ready prevents interruptions and speeds up applying limits. You now create specific rules. Pick the user or device and set daily limits in hours and minutes. Tighter evening limits reduce late-night use. Then schedule allowed hours. Weekday versus weekend differences matter, so you control when the PC is accessible. Also specify app and website limits for distracting software and require a parent or admin approval for changes. This prevents accidental overrides. These choices enforce habits and help the system automatically block access when limits expire. You finish by applying settings and signing out, then sign back in to ensure the rules activate. Some policies require a restart. Once done, test using the restricted account to confirm time cutoffs and app blocks behave as intended. Testing avoids surprises. If rules don't apply, check common issues. Verify device clock syncs with internet time, confirm the account is listed under family or is non-admin, and restart the PC. If problems persist, reapply settings or remove and re-add the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.